Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW 3 Series without a key. First, you'll need to locate the physical key hidden within your key fob. This small key is essential for manually unlocking your car door. Once inside, we'll guide you to the specific slot where you can place your key fob to enable the engine start function. This method is crucial for situations where your key fob battery has died, ensuring you're never stranded. To gain entry, first, carefully slide out the small, physical key from the bottom of your main BMW key fob. Next, look closely at the driver's side door handle. You'll find a small cover that conceals the traditional keyhole. Gently pry this cover off, insert your physical key, and turn it to manually unlock the door. This action bypasses the electronic locking system, allowing you to enter your vehicle. Once inside, locate the designated key fob slot, typically found on the dashboard near the steering column. This slot is specifically designed to read your key fob's transponder when its battery is low or dead. Firmly insert your entire key fob into this slot until you feel it click securely into place. With the key fob properly seated, simply press the engine start/stop button as you normally would to ignite the engine. Remember, this manual starting method is primarily for emergencies. It's always best to replace your key fob battery as soon as it shows signs of weakening to prevent being caught off guard. Also, always refer to your specific BMW 3 Series owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle's model. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.